What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Bank of Commerce credit card delivery. Pag-uusapan natin guys, gaano nga ba katagal yung credit card delivery ng Bank of Commerce? Ilang araw bago dumating sa bahay ninyo? At the same time, kung paano kayo mag-follow up para ma-check yung credit card delivery status ng Bank of Commerce credit card ninyo. I-share ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung hotline or official customer service hotline number ng Bank of Commerce para makapagtawag kayo at may makausap kayong customer service representative para matanong kayo kung kumusta na yung credit card delivery ng Bank of Commerce ninyo. I-share ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga dapat nyo gawin kapag hindi dumating sa bahay ninyo yung credit card ninyo sa Bank of Commerce. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, Bank of Commerce credit card delivery generally takes about 2 to 4 weeks from the approval date. Similar to the time frame for rewards redemption processing based on user experiences. The timeline from approval application to card delivery can be around 3 weeks. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin na to guys? Isa-isahin natin. Bank of Commerce credit card delivery generally takes about 2 to 4 weeks from the approval date. So ibig sabihin, nag-apply kayo ng Bank of Commerce credit card, tapos na-approve, doon pa lang magsisimula yung bilang ng 2 to 4 weeks. Sad to say guys, wala silang specified date or specific date kung ilang araw darating. This is estimated date kasi alam mo naman may mga factors to consider. Yung location at saka yung distance, syempre. At saka minsan nagkakaroon ng problema sa courier, hindi malocate ni rider, tapos magkakaroon ng re-delivery attempt. Kaya naman minsan, umaabot siya ng 4 weeks, depende sa address ninyo kung mabilis mahanap. Kasi nakalagay dito is based on user experiences. The timeline from approved application to card delivery can be around 3 weeks. So parang yung average, kumbaga yung average katagal, kung gaano katagal, is around 3 weeks. Pero yung estimated time frame is 2 to 4 weeks. So nandito yung key delivery information about Bank of Commerce credit card delivery. Approval to delivery often takes approximately 3 weeks based on an approved reported timeline of June 15 to July 7. So ito yung parang nagkaroon sila ng testing about the credit card delivery ng Bank of Commerce at napansin nila na approximately 3 weeks based on an approved reported timeline of June 15 to July 7. Redemption delivery. Redeemed items related to rewards can take 2 to 4 weeks. So ito naman ay para sa mga kung redeem kayo ng rewards, around 2 to 4 weeks din siya. Then of course, factors to consider is the location factors. Metro Manila deliveries are usually faster than provincial deliveries. So as you can see guys, location factors. So kapag yung address niyo is located within the Metro Manila, so much better kasi mas mabilis lang yung delivery ng Bank of Commerce credit card. Tapos kung nasa province naman, yun lang yung problema kasi minsan talaga it takes time talaga siya. At may mga factors to consider about the location kasi siniship yan sa dagat, alam mo naman, ganyan. Note, if the card is not received within a reasonable time frame, you should contact Bank of Commerce customer service for tracking. So ito na yung panahon guys para kumonta kayo sa Bank of Commerce hotline number if ever na hindi dumating after 4 weeks. Kasi medyo matagal na siya. So it's time para tumawag kayo sa Bank of Commerce customer service which is nandito yung hotline numbers nila. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, maraming hotline number. Ngayon, iisa-isahin natin kung alin dyan yung tatawagan ninyo. Kasi nakadepende siya sa location ninyo, kung kayo ay within Metro Manila or outside Metro Manila or outside the country. Kaya naman, mayroon ditong kailangan yung i-consider before kayo tumawag. Discover more exclusive benefits by visiting any branch of Bank of Commerce near you or call customer care hotline. So if ever guys na may Bank of Commerce naman na malapit sa lugar ninyo, if ever na mabilis lang naman mapuntahan yung branch na yun ng Bank of Commerce, pumunta na lang kayo, at least may mga empleyado doon, tapos may makaka-assist sa mga katanungan ninyo if ever about your Bank of Commerce credit card delivery. So masasagot nila kaagad. Since mga empleyado sila doon, may mga idea na sila about Bank of Commerce credit card delivery. So ito yung hotline numbers nila guys if ever na walang malapit na Bank of Commerce branch sa location nyo. Hotline is 02-8632-22 or any of the domestic toll-free numbers. So itong 02-8632-2265 is para ito sa Metro Manila. Kung yung location mo ngayon is nasa Metro Manila, tulad ng sabi ko ngayon kasi nakadepende siya sa location, pwede mong i-dial tong 02-8632-2265. Ngayon naman kung outside Metro Manila kayo, nasa probinsya, hindi na covered ng Metro Manila, it's time to dial 1-800-10-982-6000 using PLDT. Tapos may isa pa, 1-800-982-6000. So, meron siyang options guys if ever na hindi kayo makakonect sa isa, itry naman sa isa kasi minsan kapag na-overwhelm sila ng mga tumatawag, minsan maraming tumatawag sa Bank of Commerce Customer Service Hotline, kaya hindi agad makater yung call ninyo. Ngayon, kung hindi kayo makakonect, try nyo naman sa isa. Take note lang guys na sa tatlo na ito na binigay ko, kapag kahit nasa Metro Manila kayo guys, pwede nyo pa rin gamitin itong domestic toll-free numbers. Pero itong nasa Metro Manila, which is yung 02-8632-2265, hindi nyo ito matatawagan kapag outside Metro Manila kayo. Matatawagan nyo lang ito kapag naka-enable sa PLDT landline ninyo yung long distance call. At take note lang guys na kapag connect ito, kahit nasa outside Metro Manila kayo, kailangan nyo malaman na may extra charges yan sa bill ninyo sa PLDT. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo doon. Then, pwede naman kayo guys mag-email. If ever na wala kayong landline, alam mo yun, di mo alam paano tawagan yung Bank of Commerce Customer Service Hotline. Yung official email address nila is customerservice@bancom.com.ph. Lagay nyo lang guys sa subject as Bank of Commerce Credit Card Delivery Concern. Tapos i-explain niyo kung ano yung scenario, ano nangyayari, hindi nyo na-receive, mag-request kayo ng redelivery, mag-request kayo ng pick up by branch, depende sa gusto ninyo. Then ito guys, take note lang na kapag nag-apply kayo sa Bank of Commerce Credit Card application, make sure na if ever nakakailanganin, syempre kakailanganin talaga yung contact details. Make sure lang na yung mobile number na yun at saka email address is active talaga siya. At nagagamit nyo talaga. Kasi doon darating yung updates about your Bank of Commerce Credit Card Delivery status and updates. Kaya naman make sure na ginagamit nyo yung phone number na yun at saka yung email address. Ngayon, if ever na nawala yung mobile number na yun or yung SIM card, make sure to call Bank of Commerce Customer Service to update your details. Ganun din sa email kapag hindi nyo na ma-access. Kasi kailangan nyo talaga yan. Darating yung panahon para sa OTP, sa verification, alam mo yun, lahat-lahat ng transactions na kailangan ng confirmation using mobile number or email address. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!